3, we have to prove that sin inverse of 2x root of 1 minus x square is 2 sin inverse of x. In the chapter maximum we are going to see how to substitute. இப்போ கொடுத்திருக்கிற x how to substitute with the known trigonometric functions. Okay, so this is the trick. This is the tip for this chapter. எல்லா இடத்துலயுமே substitution. You have to see which suitable trigonometric function you have to substitute for x or y or z or whatever variable is given. Okay, so இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல 1 minus x square இருக்கு and you have a square root term. What all relations do you know when it comes to squares? You know that cos square theta plus sin square theta equals 1. You know that 1 plus tan square theta equals secant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equals cosecant square theta. These are the three relations that you know. Now, in the இடத்துல which one is suitable? You see that there is a plus here and there is a plus here. So, you cannot use that. You see that cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So, you can either write 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta or 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. Correct? Now, x oda value, when I write it as cos theta, I have x square to be cos square theta and I have 1 minus x square to be 1 minus cos square theta, which is sin square theta. When it comes out of the square root, I'll have a sin theta. Now 2x sin theta. So I have 2 cos theta sin theta because my x value is a cos theta. Correct? So in that I need my value to be equal to sin inverse of x. Correct? Now in that this follow panna enna agum. And I follow this. When I write x equals cos theta, what are my steps? Sin inverse of 2 cos theta square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, when I simplify this, I have sin inverse of 2 cos theta square root of 1 minus cos square theta is going to be sin square theta. Now sin square theta square root of what I have? Sin inverse of 2 cos theta sin theta. What is 2 sin theta cos theta? It is sin 2 theta. Correct? So sin inverse of sin 2 theta. So sin inverse of sin theta is going to be theta itself. So this is going to be 2 theta. The theta comes out. 2 is the coefficient of the theta. Okay, adu thaniya edutradinga. So what is 2 theta? Theta enna potom x equals cos theta. So theta is going to be cos inverse of x. You agree? When the cos goes to the other side, it becomes the inverse. So cos inverse of x equals theta. But theta enna 2 cos inverse of x. But what do you need to prove? You have to prove that it is 2 sin inverse of x. So this is your second subsection. Okay. But first subsection ku podalama. This is for the second subsection. I'll change the question here. So this is cos inverse of x, second subsection. Now first subsection, you simply have to change x equals cos theta to x equals sin theta. Now x equals sin theta substitute pannalama. So what do I have? Theta equals sin inverse of x. I have to repeat the same steps. So what do I have? Sin inverse of 2 times. Now x oda value enna? Sin theta. So I have sin theta square root of 1 minus sin square theta. Your x is sin. So sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So sin inverse of 2 sin theta cos square theta inside the square root. Square root out velli edutha I have sin inverse of 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin inverse of sin 2 theta. Now sin inverse of sin theta is going to be just 2 theta. What is my theta now? It is sin inverse of x. So you have proved your first subsection. Okay, so you have to choose your values accordingly. Edu potalum answer varum, but you have to substitute the values according to your question. So first na cos theta potadunala it has become your second subsection. Your second subsection in the example 1 is prove that it is equal to 2 cos inverse of theta. First subsection la you have to prove that it is equal to 2 sin inverse of theta. Okay, so this is my second subsection and this is my first subsection. எனக்கு first இந்த இடத்துல sin போடணும் தெரியும், but you have to understand which one to use in your exam. Trial and error la போடணும். அப்ப பயந்துட கூடாது, என்னடா cos வருது நமக்கு sin வேணுமே அப்படி பயப்பட கூடாது. Okay, so you have two different options, two different possibilities. Depending on the question you have to substitute appropriately. Okay, example 4, tan inverse of 1 by 2 tan inverse of 2 by 11 equals tan inverse of 3 by 4 nu prove பண்ணனும். So what formula do you know? Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. So simply substitute it in the formula. So what do I have? Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. So my LHS is going to be tan inverse of x plus y, which is 1 by 2 plus 2 by 11 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 into 2 divided by 11. So I'm not going to cancel these two. So what do I have? So this is going to be tan inverse of numerator enagum 11 plus 2, 11 plus 4 divided by 22. When I take the LCM, I have to multiply this by 11, multiply this by 2, correct? So 11 plus 2 divided by 22. The whole divided by denominator 1 minus 2 by 22. So in the 22 multiply panni LCM edutha what will I have? 22 minus 2 divided by 22. So you understand why I didn't cancel the 2 and the 2. In the இடத்துல 22 and 22 cancel பண்ணிடலாம். So what will I have? Tan inverse of 11 plus 4 is 15 divided by 22 minus 2 என்ன 20. இப்போ 15 and 20 cancel பண்ணலாமா? 5 table ல போகும். So what will I have? Tan inverse of 5 3s are 5 4s are. So tan inverse of 3 by 4 which is equal to the RHS. Hence proved. Okay. Tan inverse குள்ள என்ன இருந்தாலும் நம்ம simplify பண்ணலாம், cancel பண்ணலாம். வெளியில இருந்தா தான் பண்ணக்கூடாது. இந்த இடத்துல 15 இங்க 20 னா cancel பண்ணக்கூடாது. Okay.